Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might need to move your USDC from Crypto.com to your Arculus wallet for better security or easier management. Today, I'll walk you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. It's quicker than you think, and by the end, you'll feel confident handling your digital assets. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified account on Crypto.com and an Arculus wallet already configured. Double-check that your Arculus wallet is connected to the correct blockchain network. USDC typically uses Ethereum or another compatible chain, so verify that in your settings to avoid any transfer issues. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app on your phone or log in via the website. Head over to your wallet section and select the USDC you want to transfer. It's usually under Assets or Balances, easy to find. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is crucial. Copy the wallet address from your Arculus app. I recommend using the built-in copy feature in Arculus to avoid any typos, as one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Remember to check for any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower with improved tech, but always confirm. Review the details and hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. Once that's done, Step 4. Switch to your Arculus wallet app and keep an eye on the incoming transactions. It should show up in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't arrive, don't panic. Just check your transaction history on Crypto.com for any status updates. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. This process is secure, but crypto can be risky, so stay vigilant. And there you have it. Your USDC is now safely in your Arculus wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.